Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group and filter values in a range based on cell color. Okay, type the GROUPBYCOLOR function, which is a dynamic array function. The first argument is the range that contains colored cells. In the example, select range B2, D10. The second argument is the cell background color. You can pick the color from the range, but it is not restricted. I'm choosing this cell color. The third argument is the calculation type. This is the place where you can decide which type of output you want. You can use S to get the sum of values. Use C to count numbers based on a cell color. Apply A to get the average based on a cell color. Get the standard deviation by using the SD value. Finally, if you want to return AL values based on color criteria, simply skip the third argument. Changing any values within the range will automatically update the result array. The GROUPBYCOLOR function is a part of our free function library. Please check the link in the description. Thanks for being with us today. For the latest Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.